Good morning, my dear friends. Today we will do question answers for measurement of length and motion, chapter 5, class 6 NCERT book. These are the extra questions that have been made from within the chapter. So first question is fill in the blanks. So 1 meter is, as you know, we have seen in the chapter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 5 kilometers is 5000 meters. Next question is motion of a child on a swing. Motion of a child on a swing is periodic motion. Motion of the needle of a swing machine. So when a swing machine moves, it goes up and down periodically. So motion of a swing machine is periodic motion. Motion of a wheel of a bicycle. Motion of a wheel of a bicycle is circular motion. As we know that bicycle wheel moves in a circular direction. Next question is why can a pace or a footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? So what do we think? It cannot be used because it is different for each person. It varies from person to person. The foot span varies from person to person. Right? Arrange the following lengths in their increasing magnitude. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter. So increasing magnitude means first will be smaller 1 millimeter, then will be 1 centimeter, then 1 meter and then 1 kilometer. We have to put a space between the number and the unit, and we don't have to put any S for plurals. Fourth question is the height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. So in centimeter, what do we do? 1.65 meter equal to 100 multiply 1.65. So that will come out to be how much? 165 centimeter. Next in millimeter, 1.65 meter equal to 1.65 multiply 10. We know that in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So 1.65 meter into 10 into 100. So this will come out to be 1650 millimeter. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meter. Express the distance in kilometer. So we know that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So in 3250 meter means 3250 divided by 1000, which comes out to be 3.25 kilometer. Question number 6. While measuring the length of a knitting needle, the reading of the scale at one end is 3 centimeter and the other end is 33.1 centimeter. What is the length of the needle? So starting point is 3 centimeter and the other end is 33.1. So length will be, how much will be length, children? It will be 33.1 minus 3. So that comes out to be 30.1 centimeter. What is the similarity and difference between the motion of a bicycle and a ceiling fan that has been switched on? So, what are the similarities? Similarities are both are in circular motion. Ceiling fan, which is switched on, and a bicycle both execute circular motion. And what are the dissimilarities? The bicycle may move ahead, whereas a ceiling fan does not move ahead, does not show any linear motion. Next question is, why would you not like to use a measuring tape made of an elastic material like rubber to measure distance? What would be some of the problems you would meet in telling someone about the distance you measured with such a tape? So, elastic material stretches. So, we will have a problem whether the distance measured will be through stretched tape or unstretched tape. So, stretching of the tape will have to be, and by how much. Then is give two examples of periodic motion. So one is needle of sewing machine and then is pendulum. Next question is, our hand spans are of same or different sizes? So the answer is different. Everybody has different hand spans. Next is SI unit, full form is International System of Units. 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meter. 1 meter is how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. For measuring a curved line, dash can be used. So what can be used for measuring a curved line? It has to be a flexible measuring tape or a thread. When distance is stated with respect to a fixed point or object, then that point is called as, we know that point is called as reference point. So again the question is, define the reference point. If the question comes like this, so you have to say, when distance is started with respect to a fixed point or point, so we have to say that when distance is started with respect to a fixed object or point, then this point is called reference point. So define reference point. So you have to say, when distance is started with respect to a fixed object or point, then this point is called reference point.